Next, given below are the steps for construction to construct a quadrilateral ABCD, where AB equals to 5.6, BC equals to 4.1, CD equals to 4.4, AD equals to 3.3 centimeters, and angle A equals to 75 degrees. AB equals to 5.6, BC equals to 4.1, CD equals to 4.4 centimeters, AD equals to 3.3, angle A equals to 75 degrees. Which of the following steps is incorrect? Now we have to find the incorrect steps. So let's start with step 1. Draw AB. What is the basic thing you will do while constructing a quadrilateral? Draw baseline, that is AB. So let's start with AB 5.6 and then angle BAX 75 degrees. This is AB 5.6. Now BAX. So now BAX, that is given as 75. Let's draw this. Take a compass protractor and make 75 degrees. Draw 75. So step 1 is correct. With A as a center, radius 3.3, cut off AD along with AX, because the AD is given as 3.3. So that is also correct. Then step number 3. Join BD. With D as a center and radius 4.1, draw an arc. Now this is a problematic point. So once I have completed with this part, I should start with the B point now. I must construct some line over here. So why should I join BD then? That is given. So joining BD would be wrong. I will construct some BC, take some angle, then construct a line, then take again an arc, and then 4.5 or whatever is BC is given, I will take that arc and cut that. So that should be the step. Joining BD is the wrong step. So step number 3 is wrong. Now step number 4, with B as a center and radius 4.5, draw an arc. To cut the arc drawn in the above step at C, join BC and CD to obtain the required quadrilateral. Actually this third step should be, with D as a center, draw an arc of 4.4 centimeter. Why 4.5? 4, because here CD is 4.4. So what I will do is, with D as a center, I will draw this arc in step number 3. Now in step number 4, what I will do is, with B as a center and radius 4.1, draw an arc. To cut the arc drawn in the above step at C. So again I will take B as a center and draw the arc. See this, with B as a center I will draw this arc. Now these points, these two arcs where they cut, that is point C. That's what is required. So now last step is join BC and CD to get the required quadrilateral. So the incorrect step is 3. Download Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, I would suggest learn